and pick a parking ticket up from the car. I was about to head down there and go down the elevator, and I remembered I've got skates on. A bit worried about spilling my drink, so I thought I'd take a lift for the last one. It's probably about as much skating as I'll get in today, but it was a good bit of fun anyway. Left the parking machine ticket in the car, so I had to go and get it. Skate it back down to the thing, to the hotel, get it punched, come back to the car park, put it in the car, and go. So on our way home now. Probably not going to be a big day today for videos. I think that's the most skating I'll get in today. My daughter tonight, so we'll just be nice and quiet at home. Heading home now, so yeah, not really a whole lot to do there. Just chill, enjoy, and I will catch up with you later on. So, hey, back again. So I've just got home, as you can see, back in my lovely room. Can't really tell from there, but that's the sun, so it's late. It's like sunset time, which happens, pretty early at the moment in the summer. 4:30. Yeah, look at that. Just put you over there on a tripod. So yeah, pretty uneventful trip home. 2.5 hours down the freeway. Nothing too exciting happened at all, but I did stop, pick up my ref shirt. So this is actually sleeveless version of ref shirt. Gets hot in Aussie in the summertime. But yeah, so name on that one, which is good. Floppy Poopy, ref name, derby name, Ricky Bobby. Someone started with Floppy Poopy one night, got a ref shirt as a joke, and yeah, wound up, so that's my ref name now, apparently. Change of plans for tonight as well, so I've got home, my flatmate's sick, so I'm not having my daughter tonight. So I'm going to be heading to derby training instead and check that out. So I'm going to head off now, wash my whistles, since my daughter's been playing with them all week and God only knows where they've been, and go and try and find my elbow pads, because yeah, I can't even remember the last time I wore elbow pads. Pretty sure my helmet's still in the car, so that'll be a good one. So I'll be heading there tonight. Yeah, I don't know if I'll get to film in there a whole lot. Obviously there's a lot of people in there and not all of them are going to want to be in a video, and plus we'll be busy doing the skatey things and pointy, whistly things, as you do. So yeah, I'll catch up with you later. So all showered, ready to go, rocking the side pony out, ready for derby training tonight. I just watched the last video back and I noticed you can hear quite clearly in the background. He's going to run away now. This thing here. So I thought, good time to introduce. This is my cat, Samuel L. Catson, who was crying to get in here, is now crying because he wants to go out. Yeah, that's my cat anyway. I'm about to hit the road and head off and try a bit of training, so I'll catch up with you later. Ciao. That was fun. Second time doing derby stuff, heady, crashy into people things, since December last year. Yeah, it's fun. I've missed it a bit, I think. Yeah, it was enjoyable. 3 hours on skates, nice bit of exercise. Yeah, sorry I didn't grab any film there. I was having too much fun, to be honest. I did, however, grab our brand new hats. Yo! So, up until 3 weeks ago, I've had dreadlocks for the last 3 years and haven't been able to fit a hat at all. Like literally my head was that much bigger. Special order helmets, not a hat on the planet Earth that fitted my head. Recently I just brushed all my dreads out, so I'm really happy. I now own 2 hats. Jerk, the team for our local league, our local derby team, is the Junkyard Jerks, so all our merch has jerk all over it. Yeah, jumper as well. That's one of the teams I'll be reffing tomorrow. They got a bout on locally, so I'll be heading out there. Just on my way out to a friend's bonfire party. Again, joys being sober. Can drive at night time. So yeah, it's 9:30 at night. It's about an hour trip out there, so I'm going to put this down and head out there. I'd love to do a montage because, well, we all know I love a travel montage, but it's night time. You're not going to see a whole lot. So yeah, I'll catch up with you out there. Hey, sitting in McDonald's drive-thru waiting for some chicken nuggets. On my way home, had a really awesome night tonight. I can't even remember the last time I stood around a bonfire for hours and just talked a heap of shit and laughed and had a good time. It's 20 to 3 in the morning, like way later than what I wanted to be. But yeah, it's good when you're just relaxed and lose track of time like that, I guess. A lot of people drinking tonight, a lot of fun. I wasn't one of them. Very happy with that. Didn't even have any desire, didn't have any urge. Really happy to have stayed sober. And
Sorry about the wait.
no worries, thank you. There's me chicken nuggets. Yeah, most of all, happy to be heading home to my own bed. When I think now of all the times that I've spent, slept on a couch, slept on a floor, slept in the car, trying to figure out how to get a ride home, and I sit back here now at 3 o'clock in the morning knowing that I'm going to be home in my own bed in about 20 minutes. It's a really good feeling, really happy, and just absolutely loving life at the moment. So yeah, I tried to film a bit at the party, but it was dark, so it was only really the fire. So you would have just watched the actually I think I'll check the montage after this, because yeah, basically when I get out of this car, I'm going to be crawling straight to bed and going to sleep. Got my daughter in a few hours time, so it'll be time to be daddy again tomorrow. With no hangover. But honestly, just, it's nights like these, you think it's going to be tough going to a party, going into these old places that, you know, I used to drink, and I used to drink a lot and think I was having a lot of fun. And I did have a lot of fun. I've got a lot of fond memories of nights like tonight. But I've also got a lot of memories missing. Yeah, you can't drink as much as I used to and remember everything. It's not going to happen, you know. Whereas tonight, I remember everything. I've had a good night. I haven't done anything stupid. I haven't said anything bad. I haven't upset anyone. I'm going to wake up in the morning and know exactly what happened tonight. I'm not going to have a hangover. I'm going to wake up in my own bed. Yeah, like I thought tonight was going to be a hard night not to drink. And I sit here now and it's been easy, and it's been enjoyable, and it's been fun, and it's been happy. So, yeah, like the fear I've had for years of not being able to enjoy myself without alcohol, it's quite the opposite. Life's a lot better for me without it. It really is. Yeah, it's enjoyable. So enjoy the montage, and I'll catch you next time. Bye. Oh yeah, probably no videos tomorrow because it's just going to be dad stuff. And reffing, yeah, reffing. I'm reffing a roller derby game tomorrow afternoon. So I can't film that because I'll be reffing, you know, so hard to film. But anyway, enough of that. Bye. Have a good night. Goodbye.